everyone, welcome back to the channel. BTP here. We are on another motovlog episode. So, you want to buy a motorcycle, you already decided on what riding styles you would like. It's either a cruiser type, a standard motorcycle, an adventure bike, or a sport bike. Now you're deciding if you want to buy a used motorcycle versus a brand new motorcycle as your first motorcycle, right? You're probably contemplating on that. I'm gonna give you my thought on it, okay? Alright guys, considering that you already taken your MSF class, you got your license from the DMV to ride a motorcycle, and you want to purchase, you're thinking about purchasing a bike. Should you buy new or used? And here's my thought on it. As a beginner rider, you should buy it used, in my honest and humble opinion. Why? Number one reason that I can think of is you will save money, man, big time. You will save money. Number two is you will probably drop your first bike, and it's a pain in the bottom if you do that on your brand new, sparkling new motorcycle. You know, statistics shows that the first, I don't want to go to the statistics, but whatever, most accidents happen during the first year of your motorcycling. Number three reason would be, I am almost 100% sure that you will outgrow your motorcycle. You will outgrow your motorcycle in a year. So save your money. Learn in those beginner motorcycles. Learn on those used motorcycles as much as you can. Ride it, learn what you need to learn. Learn the basics and the rules of the street in that used motorcycle. And the number four reason is, it's gonna go back to number one reason. You will save a ton of money. Money. Okay, so if you buy a used motorcycle, you gotta bring somebody with you that knows how to look at motorcycles, or at least the basics of what you're gonna need to look at if you're buying a used motorcycle. Crash signs, if it had crashed before. Check if the brakes are still working. Another thing is, check if the tires are still in good condition. You don't want to pay for those. You just want to ride it. Check the basics. Check the oil if it's leaking. Test ride it, or have your buddy test ride it. It's been riding for a while. If it's mechanically fit. Another point is, buy it cash. Some of them run $3,000 average and in good working condition. So get those. Why am I saying this? It's because I bought a brand new R3. That's why I'm saying this is because of experience. I outgrow that motorcycle in less than 1 season. I feel like I learned what I need to learn in that motorcycle. And I lost a lot of money. I sold it maybe, I probably lost 60% of the total amount of that motorcycle in less than a season. Yeah, but yeah guys, that is my 2 cents on if you should buy your first motorcycle new versus used. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe on my channel. It will really help me out and my channel grow. You guys be safe here on the streets. Rubber side down. Peace out. Deuce.